In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple way to add a search bar to any section of your Shopify theme, which is especially handy for themes like Dawn. We'll use a straightforward method that involves a bit of coding, and I'll also share some pointers to help you keep things safe and secure. Let's dive right in by ensuring that we have a safety net before we make any changes. The first thing you need to do is back up your theme. This precaution lets you revert back if things don't go as planned. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to Online Store. From there, navigate to Themes, click on Actions, and select Duplicate. With a copy safely in hand, you can now proceed to make your customizations with peace of mind. Next, you want to access the theme editor. Again, from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Themes. Find your live theme and hit Customize. This opens up your theme editor where all the magic happens. In the sidebar of your theme editor, it's time to add a custom liquid section. Click on Add Section and look for Custom Liquid in the list. This is where you'll insert the code for your search bar. Now, you're ready to input the search form code. Here's a simple example you can use. You'll open a div element with a class labeled Custom Search Section. Inside this div, you have a form element that works when someone taps Search. It includes an input box for text and a Submit button. Copy this code and paste it right into your custom liquid section. The next step is making sure your new search bar looks right with the rest of your theme. For this, you'll need to style it using CSS. You can enter your CSS by either modifying your theme settings, if your theme supports it, or by directly editing your theme code. Here's an example for styling. Apply CSS rules that include flexbox for centering the form, comfortable padding for usability, and styles for the input field and button like borders, background colors, and even rounded corners for a more modern look. After you've entered and styled the code, save your changes and publish the customization. This final step ensures your modifications go live. Finally, it's time to preview your store. Check to see if the search bar appears where you've added it and ensure that it functions as expected. Enter a test search term to verify that everything operates smoothly. If anything seems off, revisit your sections to troubleshoot and adjust as needed. By following these instructions, you should now have a beautifully integrated search bar in your Shopify theme. I hope you found this guide useful and that it added a new level of functionality to your site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!